Hey, content creator, want to set up a paid workshop, but don't know where to start? Start here with MiloTreeCart. MiloTreeCart offers you everything you need to create, sell, and manage your paid workshop. 0 tech skills needed, no monthly fee. Here's how it works. Add your workshop details into your MiloTreeCart dashboard. Use one of our free hosted sales pages to start selling your workshop in under 10 minutes. Market and prep your workshop using our free 14-day launch calendar. Then on the day of your workshop, show up live on Zoom, teach something, build relationships, and most of all, have fun. Because it's free to set up workshops on MiloTreeCart, test as many ideas as you like. And the best part, you only pay us when you get paid. So go try it. A new income stream is waiting for you. Tap into it with MiloTreeCart.